How to edit an autoresponder in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to edit an autoresponder. Click the autoresponders icon. Locate the autoresponder you want to edit, then click the Edit link next to it. From here you can make all the edits you want. When finished, click Create Modify. That's it. The autoresponder has been edited and saved. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to edit an autoresponder in cPanel.